Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python step by step. To begin, search for Google Python class to access a free, comprehensive course designed by Google engineers. This course covers fundamental concepts like strings, lists, and dictionaries, providing a solid foundation. Next, explore interactive platforms such as Google Colaboratory, which allows you to write and execute Python code directly in your browser without any setup. Focus on understanding basic syntax and common data types. Once you have a grasp of the basics, it's crucial to practice consistently. Look for coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank to apply your knowledge and improve problem-solving skills. Google Colaboratory remains an excellent tool for experimentation and sharing your code. Don't hesitate to join online Python communities or forums. They are invaluable for asking questions, getting feedback, and learning from experienced developers. Consistent practice is key to mastery. As you progress, delve into Python's powerful libraries. Libraries such as pandas are essential for data manipulation, and NumPy is critical for numerical computing. Start working on small personal projects that genuinely interest you, like building a simple web scraper or a basic game. This hands-on experience solidifies your understanding. For more advanced learning, consider contributing to open-source projects. It's a fantastic way to collaborate and gain real-world development experience. Learning Python is a continuous journey. Stay updated with new language features, best practices, and emerging trends by following reputable blogs and documentation. If you're looking to formalize your skills, consider pursuing certifications from recognized institutions. They can validate your expertise to potential employers. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep exploring, building, and connecting with the Python community to continually enhance your abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.